Hey girls and boys, hello, greetings from the sunny side of the Alps, greetings from Austria where I'm spending my holidays. Hey, can you guess what are people the most interested in? Let me tell you, I just read about it recently. People are most interested to read and get information about health, about their health. So staying healthy is interest number one. Interest number two is relationships with people. So people are constantly looking to improve their relationships with other people, to make friends, to influence people. Why is that important? Because then you will have support for your ideas, you will have support, you will have successful business, you'll be feeling great. So, 3 things I want to tell you today about how to influence people and make friends. 1, never criticize. Instead of criticizing, because criticizing puts people into a defense position. So that's not a good way to approach something that you want to address with people. Better ask questions. What does this mean to you? How come you're doing things this way? Anyway, ask questions to understand why the other person is acting in a certain way. Second, show honest appreciation. So not flattery, like, oh, you're looking great today or something. Show honest appreciation. If you really look and observe people, you will find things that you really appreciate in them. And not just think of those things, but tell them. Tell people are thirsty for nice words. Nice words can move people to become better person. Remember the teachers at school in your youth. Those that influenced you were those that spent time with you, that motivated you with nice words. So that was number 2. Number 3 is if you want to influence other people, you always need to understand their needs. You cannot say, I want you to do this, unless you're carrying a gun. This person will not move and will not be inspired to do anything unless you show him how that meets his needs. So, for example, I want to relocate to the south of France, and if I will be searching for a job there, and I'll call a company and I'll say, hello, I want to work for you because you're situated in the south of France and I want to move there. It's all about me. The company would say, I don't care, who are you? But if I call a company and I say, you know what, I can help you with your digital transformation. I have helped 10 other companies through their digital transformation and can protect you from cybersecurity attacks by getting your people aware of the problems. Then I might get an interview and relocate to the south of France, which was my goal. So you always have to look for what's there for the other person if you want to influence him or make him move or inspire him. That was it. I'm now gonna go and have some more fun in the snow. Big kiss to all of you. 3 things to influence people and make friends. 1, never criticize. 2, what was number 2? I forgot. Number 2 is to show and tell honest appreciation of something that the other person is or does. And 3 is to carefully find out, do a research, what the needs of the other person or company or whoever he wants to influence are. Take care, write to me, bye.